All right, folks, so find your machines. We are going to be continuing single file following each other.
Yeah, you have the right idea.
Like a stallion that wants to run, but they won't let me. Had to stay in line. And yes, I refused to take my sun hat off. We will now visit one of the hideouts of Pegleg, or Francois Leclerc, as his mother called him. The first pirate to visit St. Lucia. He would raid Spanish ships and then slip into this cove. He would block the cove with his ship and then cover it in leaves to camouflage it. Back down the hill, that mountain at the tip there is Pigeon Island. It wasn't always connected to the mainland. That was a recent thing. Pegleg had his main hideout there. With a quick stop at the beach, and I mean quick, we moved on. I'm sure the horse likes these segways. It doesn't have to carry as many fat tourists anymore. And just like that, the Segway tour is over.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah?
What's up?
Okay.
Right. Mind if I just set my towel here? Thanks.
We were brought back to a beach for a couple hours to chill.
Oh, so nice. Wow. 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 Well, this looks like a fun boat. And the water is unbelievably warm, inviting. It's absolutely paradise. Amazing.